The assessment phase. The inherent isolation of remote work demands different forms of assessment than traditional work-based learning. Assessment in eWBL typically divides into feedback and mentoring and formal evaluation. The first is a continuous process, sometimes referred to as formative assessment, lasting for the entire internship. The second takes place at the end of the programme, aiming at learning validation and acquisition of credit points. The first form of assessment, feedback and mentoring, is a constructive and continuous process. The objective is to use the work activities performed during the internship as a vehicle for learning through reflection. Our research results suggest that this continuous feedback process should be established in the individual learning plans and look at the different dimensions such as practical knowledge, soft skills, attitudes, networking, and career prospects. There are different forms of assessment in the feedback and mentoring phase. Our research suggests the use of an integrated approach based on 3 formats. First, interns complete a predefined self-assessment form. The outcomes of the self-assessment become then the foundation for a one-to-one discussion between the intern and their company or higher education supervisor. Whenever possible, group feedback can then be organised. This is a joint discussion between different interns and their higher education supervisor. This 360-degree approach offers more accurate feedback as it considers multiple views and concerns. Virtual meetings are the most straightforward alternative to implementing feedback. The frequency depends on the resources available. However, we recommend weekly events. The group feedback can take place less frequently. Regarding the other form of assessment, the formal evaluation, there's no significant difference between eWBL and traditional work-based learning. It occurs at the end of the programme, typically delivered in the form of a log diary, portfolio, or an internship report. These forms of formal assessment encourage critical reflection on tasks performed, relate tasks to acquired theory, and identify the development of transferable skills. It can be structured following the same dimensions of the feedback assessment, that is, with practical knowledge, soft skills and attitudes, networking, and career prospects. The assessment phase of eWBL involves continuous feedback and mentoring for ongoing improvement and a formal evaluation at the end of the programme. Structured frameworks, regular meetings, and well-defined criteria contribute to a successful assessment process, ensuring alignment with learning outcomes and facilitating objective evaluations.